Here we are at the AI Summit London. I'm happy to say I've got with me today Vickram Booball, CIO, CSO of Scahill Law Review. Welcome.
Thank you, Chuck. How are you today?
Good. So tell me, you were at an event last night at Visionaires. Tell me about what that was.
I was at the Visionaires VIP lounge last night, where we engaged in several conversations. It was really surrounded. It was meant for business leaders, and the conversation in terms of AI and the robust of AI and secure AI to that group. Yeah.
So you live in the world of trying to make secure AI in your law practice. Tell me about that.
So obviously, in terms of law firms, data is king. The security of that data and our clients' information is absolutely critical. So in terms of the law firm, ensuring that the data is secure at rest, ensuring that the data is secure in all aspects, including any AI or ML operations that we utilize that data in, we need to ensure that that's robust and secure at the same time.
So how do you do that?
So in terms of the looking at the entire ML ops of an AI application, it's really looking at from the data-centric standpoint, looking at the ML model itself, and then ultimately the output. So it's utilizing tools, techniques, and having the conversation both from a executive level down to the engineering level to ensure some of those practices are aware of and followed in terms of just ensuring a system is secure. Yeah.
So AI, we're here at the AI Summit, obviously, where a lot of the firms here are dealing with financial services, manufacturing. What legal is legal as an industry? Are you guys ahead? Is everyone in legal in law firms doing the same thing?
We are absolutely the slowest in adopting just about anything. So legal industry, unfortunately, is always at the back, kind of looking at what everyone else is kind of doing, and we're always the slowest to adoption. And I think one of the things is obviously change management is probably one of the biggest challenges we have, but certainly I think we're coming up. I think the legal industry, and we're utilizing in various different areas, not just in the operational side of a law firm, but also from a legal research perspective. I'm seeing a lot of space or movement in that area, as well as document automation and document generation. So I think AI is playing especially in contract management or reviewing volume of contracts, I'm seeing more and more of AI being implemented to assist in some of those tasks that are tedious and require too many personnel to kind of go over.
So, so in law firms, typically in a law firm that have billable hours, does this just fit into, in terms of all law firms, basically just operational cost?
It is. I think we're looking at, the way we look at it is what are the pain points within that organization? And usually they're at the paralegal level or the legal secretary level. So looking at those type of processes at that level first and still allow for all the billable to occur from an attorney perspective. But it's really minimizing or try to maintain the personnel that we have on the paralegal and support staff, and that where AI comes in and assists in some of that voluminous work and tedious tasks that are done.
So you're really active in Visionaires, the platform of the community of industry AI leaders. Tell me about your experiences in Visionaires.
It's really like-minded peers. So Visionaires really allows me to kind of connect with individuals with the same pain points, with the same kind of vision for their own organization as they go through the journey of AI and look at it from the perspective of we're all here to kind of help each other. And really it's that conversation and that listening and getting that feedback as AI is progressing and is going to become that digital transformation. I call it digital transformation 3.0. I think it's really necessary for a community like Visionaires to really assist us and kind of grow with it as well.
So a year from now, we're sitting here having this conversation. What will we be talking about?
It's so funny, you asked me that same question
I
last
know.
year. And I think as much as I talked about secure AI and robust AI, I'm still going to continue that route. I think I want to see more of the conversation as to at least thinking about it. And I realize that once we get over that that milestone of the ROI in trying to get an AI application in an organization and trying to make the business case for it, I realize it's very challenging to talk about how do we ensure that these systems are secure, that they're robust, that they won't break down on us, or they won't be have adversarial attacks on them. They won't be hacked or compromised. And I think it's going to take the route of privacy as well. When we look at privacy is a big thing, bias is a very big thing in AI right now, and I think a lot of conversations are happening there, and I think more and more conversation in the future, a year from now, we're going to talk about robust and secure AI a little bit more as we get more mature in it.
Well, I look forward again to the conversation. Thank you
Excellent.
so much.
Thank you, Chuck, I appreciate it.